Wow! Is that snow?
Everything is white. Mom! Dad! Look outside!
Your first snow day, Ali.
It's so cold. He's saint! Haha! And so much fun. I made a snowball. Got you. Let's give him a name. Let's call him Snowy. Got you. Got you. Look, I made one. Let's give him a name. Let's call him Snowy. Look at my hands. I made a snow angel. Fah! Snowball fight! I'm okay.
Wait! Where is Snowy's nose? Look. There are tracks.
I think I found something. Ah! We found it. Welcome back, Snowy.
Did you hear that? Someone was here. Oh, it's a little bird.
Let's keep it warm. Now you're safe. Bye, little bird. Look at those clouds.
Let's take a short walk.
Someone lost this mitten. I wonder who it belongs to. Is anyone around? I think I know. I think this belongs to you. I'm glad we found it. I'm glad we found it.
I'm proud of you, Ali. Ali.
Helping others feels good. Ha! I love snow. Ha! Hot chocolate is warm. This is my first snow day.
smile.
This was the best snow day ever. Let's build something. Almost finished.
Now it's perfect.
Welcome to our snow castle.
This is amazing!
Oh. Ha. I am the Snow King.
This is for you, Ali.
A new storybook. Yeah. Stories are fun. Today was a special day. Helping others is important.
Good night, Snowy.
I can't wait for tomorrow. See you later, Snowy.
I learned that kindness makes every day special.
Thank you for watching my first snow day. I will always remember this day.
What an amazing day!
Thank you for sharing my snow day with me. If you enjoyed my story, subscribe to Lumexa English for more fun English stories. See you next time.